In this video, you'll determine if a given value makes our equation true. Let's look at our first problem. We have negative 2x plus 6 equal 4x, and then we have some x values here. We have a 0, a 1, and a 2. We want to know if any of these given values make this equation true. So the only way to find that out is to plug them in for x. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simplify and put my variables on one side of the equal sign and my numbers on the other side. This will make my substitution a lot quicker. So let's go ahead and plug it in. We have a 0 there. So if I were to substitute x for a 0, then I would get a 0. So no, that won't work. I can eliminate 0 from one of the options that'll work. So let me go ahead and substitute a 1 for x. And in this case, 6 times 1 is going to be 6, and that will work. 6 times 2, that is going to be equal to 12, and 6 is not the same as 12, so this will not work. So the only value here that works is x equals 1. This is the only value out of all the real numbers that will work for this equation to make it true. All the other values will make it false. Now go ahead and try the second equation. Plug in these values and see which of these values will make the equation true. Welcome back. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to combine my like terms and leaving my variables to one side and my numbers to a different side. This will leave me with a negative 8 on one side and a 1x on the other side. So I basically just solved the equation. So if I were to put this in a number line, negative 8 is the only number out of all real numbers that will make this equation true.